daily operations of Aruba Airport have been heavily affected by the worldwide COVID-19 virus. Since last Saturday, Aruba Airport is without passengers and is not longer able to facilitate commercial scheduled flights in order to prevent further spreading of the virus in Aruba. The airport is a vital local infrastructure. Therefore, the airport is operational whenever this is needed and always ready to serve the needs of the community. But now only in cases such as relief flights, cargo flights and ambulance flights. We foresee a couple of months of no passengers and thereafter a gradual stepwise recovery up to December. We have good hope that in December of this year we are back on track, just before Aruba's peak season. To overcome this challenging period, a company-wide reduction program has been instated. This program includes cost savings to safeguard our cash flow in order to be able to continue the company's operation in a healthy and stable way. It also means Gateway 2030 is under review. Seeing that this project will give Aruba a much needed impulse, the Gateway 2030 project is currently planned to proceed, but under a different premise and in a step-by-step approach. The airport leadership cares about all colleagues and intends to keep everybody on board, as long as this is responsible management. The COVID-19 situation remains highly uncertain. When the current cost reduction program proves not to be sufficient, additional measures must and will be contemplated. Our team plays an important role in the Tourism Recovery Marketing Plan Committee, led by the Aruba Tourism Authority on behalf of the government of Aruba. The goal is to focus on what shall be done to attract travelers to visit our wonderful island again as soon as this crisis is over. Resilience, responsible management and sense of community will help us to overcome these demanding times. I am proud of our team and I'm convinced that better times will come.